It's your girl Daisy, Flower Girl. Welcome my squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know each and every time I do come on. I hope you guys are doing wonderful today. I have some good zaxbys, honey. I haven't done them in a while, and I am just ready to dig in. I haven't ate all day, so let's get to it. Let me say my grace. Lord, thank you for this food I'm about to receive and the nourishment in my body's sake. Amen, amen. And today I have wings and things. I have the nuclear flavor. I have toast, chicken tenders, fries, celery, and it comes with ranch. And it also comes with the Zax sauce. I have the white cheddar cheese bites. And I have the fried mushroom, spicy mushrooms. Those look good. I can't wait to try them. I'm just gonna take these out. Oh yeah, I got coleslaw. They coleslaw is the bomb. And I have Fanta, the raspberry kind. And just in case, I have a sparkling natural water. Hey guys, I'm back. This looks so delicious. Yes. I'm so ready. Fried mushrooms, they give you a zestable dip. So I'm gonna see how this tastes. I never tried this sauce before. Okay. Okay. Sauce is good. Got some ranch. Some coleslaw. That coleslaw looks good. So let me try this. Awesome. Take the first bite. Okay. I want to dip my little white cheddar ball in. Take a bite. Not good right now. So I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you got something to eat and you're eating with me. The nuclear flavor with ranch. It's so good. I never was a person to really care about mushrooms like that, but their mushrooms is good. Their fried mushrooms. And I never tried fried mushrooms before either, actually. Shout out to Zaxby's for doing that. That's real good right there. So, what is going on? You know we gotta have our talk time. The weather was so nice today. It wasn't cold, it wasn't too hot. Chicken tender, take a bite. I always let you guys have the first bite. Fries are so good. They give you toast. I just dip everything with my ranch. I put it on everything. This is delicious. Such a good meal. These fried mushrooms are bomb. So good. Everybody was out today doing so much shopping. It's around that time of the year. That raspberry Fanta is on the money. Excuse me. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna do a nice big burp to Mr. Rice. I want to say his name is John Rice, but I don't want to get it wrong. Today is his birthday. So I want to do a birthday burp. I have to do a birthday burp. So I didn't forget you. They give you more than enough. Got my celery. You hear Bella, you guys, because Bella likes food. She want to eat everybody food, and she's not getting any. This is so good. And today has been a busy day for me. Like, my father's birthday and my brother's birthday is on the same day. Can you believe it? I don't know how that happened, but that's double trouble. Like, because I got to buy for 2 people on the same day. I always get good gifts, though. So, it's a lot of birthdays this month. I'm going to have another birthday coming up for my niece. And that is this week. So, gifts. This is so freaking good. Ugh. I'm so busy eating. I didn't even open up my sweet and spicy. And this is my favorite. I love their sweet and spicy sauce. Ugh. It's to die for. Nice big flat. So good. I love flats. They're my favorite. Mm. 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 So if you guys eat fish, let me know what kind of fish you like and what fish you don't like. I don't like catfish and I don't like tilapia. Some people do though. Some people love catfish, but from what I know about catfish, I would never like eat it. Mm. Or tilapia. Mm. Mm. This is so freaking good. Mm. 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 Make sure if you're just not coming to my channel, please hit the notification bell so you'll know each and every time I come on and do a video. Also, comment below if you have any questions or any advice or anything or you want me to do or you want to request, let me know. I would love to do it. I also support as well. And also, I would love for you to be part of the family. So please don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe. Also, share this video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you guys so much. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sweet and spicy. Mmm. Mmm. I have the request. They be stingy with this sauce because it's so really good. Like, I have to request for like 4 extra sauces. Like, their sauce is so good. Mmm. 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 Fried mushrooms go down. Mmm. I get like this with my food sometimes, you guys. I get silly. Mmm. Mmm. This is so good. Mmm. 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 Woo. That nuclear is spicy, but that's not the hottest one. They have a hotter one. It's called, hold on, don't tell me. I just seen the name of it on the menu. It's one, this one right here, the nuclear is 3 times spicy. But there's one that's 4 times spicy. I want to say it's called Wimpy or something. But yeah, they're so good. Mmm. 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 This coleslaw is so good. Mmm. Mmm. So, tomorrow, it's going to be a busy day too. Good gracious. I never get a break. Ooh. Oh well, that's life. Talk to me, baby. I gotta talk to my food. It's so good. Uh, hold on, you guys, I'm coming. Oh, excuse me. Ooh. You know how you shake your soda up or your, anything with acid in it? And it's about to like come out of the bottle like just everywhere. That's what my water bottle is about to do. Oh. This is good. I didn't think it was gonna taste this good, but this is good. Oh yeah, I like this one. I gotta do this birthday burp. Ooh. Ooh. Those are the birthday burps. They're coming. Oh my God. Ooh. I am super full. It's taking its time tonight, but it's coming. Ooh, I am stuffed. Whew. And after drinking all this beverage, I am super stuffed, even more. Oh, I am super full. No lie. This was really like a lot. There was the birthday burp. I told you it was coming. I think I even have more. So that is to the birthday boy. Happy birthday. I gave you your burps. And I love you guys so much. Thank you. I am super full. I'm just satisfied with everything. Everything was delicious. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day / night for some people. And I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.